One day there was 3 little cats and one big bad dog. They saw a mouse carrying yarn. They asked him for yarn. Then they made a house out of yarn. They saw the dog coming. The cat went inside and locked the door. The dog went to get his sledgehammer and smashed the house. They saw a squirrel carrying some clay. Then they made a clay house. Then they saw the dog coming to the house. The 3 little cats saw him coming. They all ran inside the clay house. The dog was too lazy to get his bat. So he just used his sledgehammer again. The clay house went down like that. Bam! They saw Bear. Then after they made a house out of sticks and meat. They all saw the dog coming. The dog liked the smell and became happy. They all became friends and it was fun. And the squirrel said, the end.
Ta-da!